when we stepped in the cycle, a path always to be rightful. For it was there where it all began, a breath of you, my fellow friend. You know me from before, the strips and the scars on the shore. You stood in time as the man approached your pale life. He grabbed your heart and stole the shores, the wind, the tide. To where was not to be known, only a shore, a wish to be reborn. I saw the kiss she gave to you, the path she never understood. But you kept seeking deep inside, the doors they will open, the light that will bring the life. I saw the dream you wanted to have, the sudden storm and fire you put ahead, and those shoes you wore that day as you stepped in the glory, as you called, the right way. Infinity, infinity, oh my dear, tell me now, tell me, who do you hear? What is this game? A mist of fears, a power over sky, a story of the shadow and the light. I saw a battle on the edge of the sky, a dark day marching in your eyes. For it was there where you felt the shattering world that needs to repair. I saw moving pictures in your eyes, a scream of a child, a glowing sapphire, an emerald of jungle, a heart of joy, a heart of laughter. For the jewels are your crown, the stories to be found. I saw when he fell from the sun, the wings you fixed, the choice of love. I saw the soul that wants to tell a story of the stars, and the wishing well, the vacuum of space, the kiss they melt, the birds, the nature, the world he felt. Infinity, infinity, oh my dear, tell me now, tell me, what do you see? You know me from before, when we stepped in the cycle to play the game, a game of the title, and each time you wrote the same, the dream you dreamt, the light you became.
And the title is My Infinity, at the beginning of your first shore, where we first met from before.